For decades, organizations have relied on offshore vendors to run critical IT. Lower rates promised savings, but complexity, risk, and rework quietly piled up.
Managing offshore teams means managing vendors, gaps, and accountability. Absorbing the risk yourself. Alpha was built to replace that model.
Alpha Managed Services assumes full responsibility for operating, securing, and optimizing IT environments.
We don't sell people. We own outcomes.
On average, Alpha delivers 15% lower cost than offshore vendors, which translates into up to 50% real savings when rework, delays, and risk are removed.
Powered by AI-driven modernization and dedicated expert teams, Alpha replaces fragmented vendors
with one accountable partner aligned to real business outcomes.
3 pillars. 1 accountable partner, Alpha Technologies. Managed services. AI-driven. Outcome-focused.